Yes, children. So here in the first paragraph she says that it is a biography of her own life story she has written here. So she says that as Mahatma Gandhi is one of the greatest soul as the word ever known. So what she says, most people pass through a period of anguish. Sometimes most of the people, sometimes we will come across an excessive pain of mind. That is, we can't share our sorrow with others. Very excessive pain. We can't share our sorrow with others. At that time, how we feel? Everything as we lost. She has given an example of ebb, decline. Ebb means declining of the tide. Man always think about with a high point. Suddenly everything, when he lost something, naturally how he feels, as though he lost everything from him. So the humanity is at a low ebb. There's no humanity in people when we get pain in our mind. He feels that there's no humanity with these people. So even she has came across the same situation. What might be the situation? She lost her husband. Her deep sorrow over his loss was followed by the humiliating realization that in the eyes of the Indian law. So in Indian law, how they used to realize the widow. There is no chance of getting individual existence. Then, along with that, she was participated for years with men. For what? For the national struggle freedom. She was working because of the freedom movement and also suffering as she lost her husband. Both were side by side only. Simultaneous, both are. Then, but that time, the law, in Indian law, nobody was really ready to understand her. Nobody can be recognized her. What must be her sorrow? What must be her situation now? Nobody were. Now, as a widow without a son, it was not entitled to any share of the family property, nor were my two daughters. I resented this galling position. I was bitter towards those members of my family who supported this antiquated law. At this time, I went to pay my respects to Gandhiji and say goodbye before leaving for America to take part in a conference. Yes, children. I sensed that my visit had brought a feeling of relief to everyone. I hadn't been with them 5 minutes. So once what happened, and very important guest of Vijayalakshmi Pandit is Minister of the Prime Minister of Great Britain and also Lady Eden. Both had come. So she has planned very meticulously. Meticulously means very perfectly. Perfectly means what? In the way of what menu should be prepared for the dinner. What type of colors, flowers should be keep there on the dining table or for the decoration, and what type of candles, what colors, everything very, very correctly, very exactly, very carefully. She has made everything. And when the guest arrived, naturally, first the drinks has passed. That too, she's saying that two times the drinks passed. Then after that, she gave a signal to her butler, one who served for him. She gave the sign for him to announce it's a time for dinner. But everybody waited. Even for the third time also again they brought the drinks. Then she herself only asked excuse with the guests, and this she ran back to the downstairs to her kitchen. It presented a shocking sight. In one corner stood a frightened little kitchen maid, in another the housekeeper. At the table sat my cook, waving a ladle and signing, beating time with his foot. His eyes were glazed and he was far away in some other sphere. The table was littered with pieces of chicken. My knees felt too weak to support me, but I asked in as normal a voice as I could command, "Why isn't the dinner ready?" "But it is ready, madam," my cook chanted. "All ready. Everybody sit down, sit down." I was furious. It was on the tip of my tongue to say, "Get out. You are dismissed." When I thought of the counsel that had calmed me so many times, if I lost control, I would only hurt myself. So, yes, children, the situation when it happens to you people, how you will take this one? How you would have taken this one? Throwing the things here and there, shouting on him. But here, she didn't took the situation like this. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, she is very calm and she pulled herself together to help him in the kitchen. So let us do something she came. When she entered the kitchen, even the guests, everyone started to help. That is the housemaid, then the housekeeper, everybody helped her. At last, the food served what they had, what not from like how the menu has been described, but a good food has been served. Then she told what happened in the kitchen to the guest, and really they surprised. This is what your cook will do when he drinks. They have taken very humorously, very funnily they have taken, very lightly they have taken. They have not made this thing very big one. It's not a big issue. When he drinks, will he do like this? And somebody said that one. What must be a provide sober? Sober means who has not drink. The fellow who has not drink, that he can do this one only, no, nothing. The relief, then she laughed. When the gusts, everything they have taken very lightly and they have given their words, she has started to laugh. Really it is like some little bit crazy. My perspective restored. Her personality. Really it is again recollected. I realized that a dinner party, however important, there the main point of view is the dinner. But it should not be the center of what happened there. It should not be what happened there. That is, the center of existence is not important there. The important is the dinner party. That's it. So everyone enjoyed the food, right? That is important. To retain the sense of proportion is an important as being able to keep one's heart free from hatred. It should be a proportionate sense, means always one should be heart free from hatred. Whatever the situation, we should handle it very, very lightly. Things can be do. Things can be done in a right way. Suppose he has not done the thing. Come on, join 3-4 members again. They can join. They can do. Maybe, who knows, still better things can be brought out. Right now. So, for all of that, no matter what our work, but the advice of Gandhiji is meaningful. It's a meaningful. No one can harm you but yourself. Whatever the situation, how we accept is very important. How we accept that one. If you take that one with a good one, then it will be naturally, everything will come under control only. If suddenly in that case, if she had shouted on the cook may run away from that place naturally. After that, again, it's time, it will be time taken for her to get another cook. One possibility. Other possibilities, even the guests may get upset. When we came to the dinner, this is the thing happened in their house. So whenever goes to the other dinner, they might have been said the same thing. Even she will lose the temper. Is it not? Instead of all this, she handled the situation very carefully. This is the thing what you have done. Okay, let it be. So even we will join and we'll do something. When she has started, so everyone pitched into the kitchen, and even they had taken something and they helped her. The people, the guests also enjoyed the food. Maybe what the menu they have described, but the food was good. Everybody enjoyed, everybody had a fun, right? So this is the advice. It's everything is based on Gandhiji's advice. So no one can harm you but yourself. Right, children? So even we people also adopt this advice. Is it not? Even we people can adopt this advice in our life. Better here afterwards, whatever the things, we take it in a light weight so that the thing should not go bad. At the same time, even we should not hurt others, and also we will not get hurt by others. Right? Did you understand, children? Yes, now take the hard words with the meanings, children. Paragraph 2. Anguish, excessive pain of body or the mind. Ebb, EBB, decline of tides. Underline, fourth line, humiliating, realization. Come to the paragraph 3. Entitled. Give a claim to. Give a claim to. That means claiming. Resented. Second line, resented. Feeling bitter about. Galling, annoying. We are underlining the words, no? Fourth one, antiquated, outdated. Outdated means very old. Fourth paragraph, conference. Underline, conference. Yes. Next. Paragraph 4, fourth line, advantage. Now page number 3. Fourth line, children, inflict, impose. Impose. Inflict, impose. Cleanse, purify. Purify. Tenth paragraph, miraculous. Very wonderful. 11th paragraph, gesture, movement. Same paragraph, underline, significant. The same paragraph, third line, delegation. Then prestige. Prestige. Respect because of the social position. 12th paragraph, children, distressing, upsetting. Same line, underline suddenly. Then same paragraph, fourth line, questionable, underline. Next, tactics, particular methods. We use some tactics to solve this problem. It is particular methods. Paragraph 13, children. First line, resolve, making decision. Go to third line, retaliate, take revenge. Fourth line, underline opponents. Next, 14th paragraph, underline committee. Committee. 17th paragraph, children, perspective. Happening again and again. Happening again and again. 17th paragraph, third line, nightmare, dreadful dream. Eighteenth paragraph, underline commissioner. Come to the fourth line, meticulously, very carefully, very carefully. Paragraph 19, fourth line, glazed. Next, littered, scattered, scattered. #21 paragraph, furious, very angry. Same paragraph, second line, counsel, advise. 23rd paragraph, pitched, helped. Same paragraph, sober, not drunk, not drunk, drunk. 24th paragraph, hysterical, crazy. Perspective, point of view, point of view. Okay.